Hey, hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do the September monthly reading for the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for the month of September. Okay, if you have your Sun, Moon, Rising with Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces placement, this reading is for you. If your Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio is in your Sun, Moon, Rising, this video is for you. You can check out my past video to get the insight what you are crossing through, and you will get clarity, more clarity about your situation. Okay, so let's start. So, in the past, you wanted some clarity, you were very much defensive, either to have some clarity, otherwise, I am going to cut you off. You were in that mood, okay? In a situation, in the love situation, and right now you are feeling anxiety, okay? In the month of September, I am talking about September month, you wanted clarity, you are right now feeling anxiety and in the future you will feel stable. Equal give and take will be there, because from whom you were expecting some clarity, they are gonna offer you some stability. Okay, so the past clarity, from the past some clarity will come. There will be a stable offer that will come your way. Okay, though you have anxiety, but you will definitely get that offer that's gonna make you stable in the future. But if you will continue to have anxiety, you will face a heartbreak once again. Okay, in any condition, if you get this heartbreak or not, you are gonna have this stability in your life, and you will, in the month, you will feel like you should leave this place. Okay, leave and just run away from the place. Might be you wanted clarity from someone over, or in some situation with from some person regarding which you have huge anxiety, and if that offer came your way, you felt like, you will felt like that, feel like, okay, you will feel like that you are gonna get one more heartbreak, and you will try to just flew away from the situation. You don't want to face that heartbreak once again. So that's going to, if that offer is not coming, you are having anxiety, and that offer came, you are fearing the heartbreak once again, and that's making you feel like you should leave this place, flew away, physically move away somewhere. Okay, you are feeling like that. Okay, if you will continue to fear, you will not become stable, and you will face heartbreak once again, and ultimately you will have to move away. Okay, so entire month you will think about just move out of the place, to flew away somewhere, to just not face that person. Okay, you will try to avoid your person, to flew away from your person, to move away from your person, because you will fear that heartbreak once again. Okay, you wanted clarity, you didn't got that. Not getting that clarity, that offer made you feel anxiety, fearful, but that offer is coming, but still since might be that offer came too late, or that offer came but that's not making you happy because due to that heartbreak you faced in the past, and that's making you fearful regarding another heartbreak. You are suspecting another heartbreak coming your way. That's not making you to feel happy on the offer of this stability. Okay, so you will feel like I should hide somewhere because you don't want to tell them that you don't want that offer. You want that offer but you are fearing, so you want to hide. You just want to keep things in limbo. Stalling thing is not a solution, but for right now, in this environment of huge anxiety, you will feel it better and comfortable option. Okay, but in the future you are heading towards some equal give and take type of situation. Some stability is coming your way. For right now you will feel like you should move away somewhere because you are fearing heartbreak. Okay, but in the future you will have this stability because this ultimately this offer of stability is your expected one, because in the past you were expecting this offer. So this is a good news for you, but at the same time you are fearing that heartbreak once again. So don't mess up things. Yeah, you can take time. Okay, uh, it is better to delay things than getting pain. Okay, avoiding disaster is better than overcoming a disaster. Okay, so that's your reading. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for the month of September. Hope you liked it. You can go back to my other videos for the month of July, August. You can see that. You will get some insight from that reading also. You can see that. Okay, hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Don't mess up things. Yeah, you can take some pause. Okay, it's better. Okay, thank you.